First, attach the proved 2-band coupling. Next, apply thinset in trough recess. Next, using a 3/16" V-notch trowel, spread thinset onto the front edges of the slope panels and top edge of the backer board. Bed the drain body into the thinset, assuring the drain flange sits flush with the top of the PET and cement board. Set the drain body in place and remove the masking tape around the outer edge. Remove any excess adhesive. Next, adhere transition tape, fleece side up, along both sides and at each end of the drain flange, overlapping the stainless steel 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch.